Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can use your AliExpress coin or how you can withdraw coins on AliExpress. The only way to withdraw your AliExpress coin is using it on the application itself. So there are different ways of using the coin on AliExpress. The first one is you can exchange it for coupons. So if you have coupons on AliExpress, then you can use it as a way of exchanging products, and you can get a certain amount of discount. Apart from it, you can also use it as a way of payment method. If the seller accepts the coin, then you can use it as a way of payment. To begin with, if you want to exchange with coupon, click the account button from the top right hand side corner, and after that you'll be able to see my coupons, and after that you can simply go ahead and exchange with the coupons. As already mentioned, you can use it as a way of payment method. So during the checkout process you can add the points, and accordingly you get the amount of discounts. So this were some of the ways to use your AliExpress coin or withdraw your AliExpress coin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.